Hi everyone, welcome to the Mott Motorcycles YouTube channel. Just wanted to show you around this lovely MT-125 which we've had traded in. So this is a 2024 MT-125. It's originally supplied from us and it's had one owner from brand new. It's in very good condition, apart from a couple of marks, which I will show you as I go through the bike. It's got a aftermarket MIV exhaust system. It's got genuine Yamaha tail tidy fitted, which completely transforms the look of the rear end in my opinion for all motorcycles, especially in the naked range. The rear wheel, the front and the rear wheel does have a couple of chips in it, which I will do my best to sort of video and photograph for all you guys. I don't know if it's chips or a mix of corrosion possibly. I presume it may have been used over sort of the winter periods. A couple of marks on the sort of swing arm there as well. Nice Michelin tyres on there. And it's had a brand new chain and sprockets fitted. And again, a couple of the chips on both sides of this. Along the swing arm here, there is also a mark, which hopefully I can do my best to photograph here, and on the chain guard up here. Suspension's looking good. Seat doesn't have any marks. Comes with 2 keys as well. We originally supplied it to the first owner. It's in the lovely icon blue colour, which in my opinion is one of the best. A couple of marks from the tank, but that's quite normal if you don't have a tank pad fitted, unfortunately. All the headlight and the indicators are okay. Radiator is okay. Again, I'm sure I saw a couple of sort of spots on this one as well. It might touch up, to be fair. It isn't something we've tried, but and what I'll do, I'll just show you the dashboard and get it all started up for you. It's got 7,943 miles.